All right, we are looking at a. Whoa. Lori's gonna start raining. Yeah. It's our cloud to ground. The problem is that because we're on the backside, a lot of it's just getting. That one was good. Oh, we got. Whoa.
Anything what? No.
Oh,
No.
smell
Whoa.
the fish.
Just now.
Okay.
Wow. You missed another one.
I did miss another one. Along that line, so the tornado would be right there.
Okay. Wow.
Especially in days like this, that was a good one, is very. So let me just explain a storm. Jeez Louise, I missed that one, I think.
There's no way.
Warm air feeds into the storm, right? It draws warm air in, and that's. I'll be looking around and let you know if there's anything cool worth looking at.
Okay. Whoa. Because it sounds like Mom Hottest and it's big bubbles like big butts.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
Blow it away. Try to take. I'm having so much fun.
Like what we've seen now is good. Do not get me wrong. And it's more literally if it was just this storm, I could make a video off of it. No!
The wind's an op.
Tripod. Are you alright?
Josh is getting some pretty good videos. The clouds look really, really cool over here. We haven't seen a lot of like lightning, but still, whoa, a lot of like it lighting up the sky.
Whoa. I don't know if I caught all of that. I know I caught this part.
Yeah.
But there was like a ton up there. Spring and summer.
Yeah.
Plus I got it pretty good, so I just want to leave it where it is. And mess with it.
Yeah. Wow!
That was sick.
Dude.
And to kind of give it some light so it wasn't pitch black and then just a random flash of lightning. Ooh, got that one. Oh, nice. It was all chained together.
Ooh.
There we go. Sick.
Oh my god.
Yo, wait. Did you get that?
Mm-hmm. I think I got some of it, probably not all of it.
That might have been upward moving lightning. Very
it looked
rare.
like it.
Very rare.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Because that's the stuff we're always like driving away from. Granted. Oh!
Yo! Clouded ground.
Whoa!
Whoa! Spider lightning. Love it.
So light.
Ooh, good one.
What?
Whoa.
What?
Whoa! Whoa! We do have to leave around 9.
Okay.
Whoa!
That sucks. I think it was like just out of frame too.
Yeah. And there's a chance we see more. Where's the battery pack?
What?
Is it on the ground? Okay, you should be able to plug it in. It should give you pretty good charge now. It's going from the engine, so it should be fast.
So we'll look for the nearest Taco Bell on the way back.
Okay.
We could probably only be in the house for like...
Holy shots!
Feels about the same, right?
Oh. Holy sh... How long will it take us to... Whoa.
Those little forks?
Yeah. How long will it take us to get home?